The disadvantages of shared hosting: is it right for your website? Shared hosting is a type of web hosting where multiple websites are hosted on the same server, sharing its resources such as CPU, RAM, and storage. It is a popular choice for small businesses and individuals because it is generally the cheapest option for hosting a website. However, shared hosting also has its limitations and disadvantages that you should consider before choosing it for your website. Limited resources: as multiple websites are hosted on the same server, they have to share its resources. This means that if one website experiences a surge in traffic or runs resource-intensive scripts, it could affect the performance of other websites on the same server. This can lead to slow loading times and decreased performance for your website. Security vulnerabilities: as multiple websites are hosted on the same server, a security vulnerability on one website could potentially affect all the other websites on the server. This is a major concern for businesses as it could lead to data breaches and loss of sensitive information. Lack of control: with shared hosting, you do not have control over the server or its settings. This means that you cannot install custom software or make any changes to the server configuration. You are also limited in terms of the resources you can use and the number of visitors your website can handle. Limited scalability: shared hosting may not be suitable for websites that experience sudden spikes in traffic or need to handle a large number of visitors. As you do not have control over the server resources, it can be difficult to scale your website and handle the increased traffic. No dedicated IP: shared hosting does not offer a dedicated IP, which means that your website shares an IP address with other websites on the same server. This can affect your search engine rankings and make it harder for your website to establish its own identity. In conclusion, shared hosting is a suitable option for small businesses and individuals with low traffic websites. However, if you have a high-traffic website or need more control over your hosting environment, you may want to consider other hosting options such as VPS or dedicated hosting.